Meanwhile, Kenya has become the first country in Africa to adopt industrial-scale solar power use, which promises to reduce manufacturing electricity costs by 40%. The new solar paneling technology has the capacity to provide at least 4 megawatts of electricity for use and would give uninterrupted power for 12 hours. Devki Group Executive Chair Narendra Raval says high electricity costs are driving manufacturers into losses, and renewable energy is the only long-term solution.
In an industry with roaring machines and moving cogs lies a silent master: energy. So what are industries doing in order to harness this commodity? At this industry in Ruiru, power is indispensable, with a capacity to generate at least 250 tons of metal products per night, translating to 25 megawatts of power monthly. Before installation of the solar panels on its roof, the industry relied solely on the national grid, a need that the manufacturer says was unsustainable.
We want to expand the solar to 20 megawatts to our other factories also. We are also putting up the wind power project of 64 megawatt in Mombasa, which is the largest commercially put anybody on this continent, so that after that we will be 95% or maybe 100% green company of steel in the world.
If there is a roof, don't let it lie idle. That's called a lazy roof, or worse, a dumb roof. Put solar. Let it generate energy. When your roof generates energy, your real estate gains value.
They have now lined the roofs of this factory with solar panels, a decision that will alternate 17% of their daily power use with solar, translating to an overall save of 20 million shillings monthly.
Been very encouraged that we have started somewhere to save our globe, to save our environment, and also to save the cost of the production.
He says the move would allow for greater efficiency, business continuity during power outages, and major cost savings.
We want to be the head of the continent to set an example that we can do it without having the energy used from the grid or also from any other source, which is generator, fuel, coal, which is we have to try and see how we can come out of it.
And Kenya has got a beautiful positioning to capture and harvest that energy from the sun. But so is every company, so is every school, so is every building in Kenya. Everyone is encouraged to deploy energy on top of their roofs.
Distributed Power Africa believes many industries in Kenya are wasting roof space that could reduce operational costs in the long run through installation of solar panels that would offer affordable and efficient green energy. They say the industries are on the lookout for energy solutions, and Kenya provides a robust ground for green energy.
Energy crises are going to be there, and it is going to go always day by day higher and higher. That will give higher cost of the production, and the goods will be more and more expensive. While we going green by solar and by wind power.
With the ongoing energy crisis, industries must come up with solutions, and going green seems to be the way. Ibak Said for KBC.